So for our next section, we're going to talk about proper plank installation. All planks need to have a gap between the end of the plank and the back plate to allow for expansion and contraction. To help you determine the correct size needed, refer to the expansion and contraction chart found in our FastPlank installation guide. Before you cut a plank, measure the distance between the trims. Refer to the expansion and contraction requirement chart, and based on the ambient temperature at time of install, subtract the needed space from your measurement. It is important to note that our planks come in 16-foot length, but can be butted together with a plank connector for a maximum length of 32 feet. This is before a P12 mid-wall trim is required to accommodate for the expansion and contraction. Also note that the factory cut edge on planks does not come perfectly square. The only time that this would affect your install is when butting two planks together. To create a seamless butt joint, the edge of each individual plank should be trimmed for the tightest fit. Once trimmed, center the plank connector on the joint and secure with the provided screws.